This time against Arellano. So Mapua figuring in edge of your seat action dito sa pagsisimula ng ating bagong season, Coach.
Oh, alam mo naman, siyempre pag Mapua champion, nandun pa rin yung kumpiyansa niyan eh. With Coach Randy, kailangan lagi ka on your toes. Hindi pwedeng kumpiyansa ka dyan.
Cometa on the run. Gaspay na agawan. Bagay. Oh, sorry miss by Jude Bagay.
Hirap talaga. It's sobrang effort kay Bagay doon para niya ma-convert yun. But they have the numbers, 3-on-2.
Ochavo completes the steal. Ochavo asking for a foul. Sayang yung pagkakataon doon, Coach.
Oo.
Dahil may nagte-trail na Oftana.
Hindi niya nakita yon. Medyo narrow yung approach niya, yung angle ng pasa niya eh. Hindi niya inopen eh. Walang spacing.
Torres switching hands and finishing with his left. And now it is the biggest lead of the game for the Benildians. Timeout, EAC. So, ito yung pambawi ni Ian Torres. Nagawan kasi siya ni Kyle Ochavo. Sabi ni Torres, kala mo ikaw lang yung mabilis.
Hindi papatalo yan si Torres. Ganda rin ang game dyan last time. So pag wala ka rin depensa kay Torres, nako, sisingilin ka niya.
13-point advantage for Benil. Loristo. Oftana.
Yan.
Bagay.
Tempo lang. High-low play.
Morales. Gaspay.
Yung weak side rotation sa half-court press ng EAC General medyo hindi gumagana eh.
Torres. Morales. High-arcing shot. Sa arc ko ng tira ni Morales, naalala ko si Dirk Nowitzki.
Taas.
Sobrang taas.
Tsaka mahasel. Itong Cometa. Tsaka ito si Torres. Grabe sa bola. They have a nose for the ball.
And more trouble coming.
Ito na si The Boss.
The big boss. Sean Umali is back. Kumanda na kayo. Ayan na siya. Did you see what Umali did? Hinarangan yung bantay. Kaya libre-libre si Justin Sanchez.
Smart move, Ton. Nakita mo. Alam niya, pwede niya atakin. Pero nakita niya, better shooter si Sanchez. Yun lang, pinas out niya lang. Libre. Sometimes yung experience eh. Hindi mo makikita sa mga bagong players yun eh. Yung read, how to read the game.
Oftana. Now with 10 points para sa Generals. Sanchez. Cometa. The Benildian captain drains it.
That's what you need. Talagang two-man game, space it out, pag kick out, open na open. Kakalabitin na lang mga shooter yan.
Ochavo nakabawi. Torres. Umali. Cometa from the elbow. Mainit na. He's talking.
Mahirap tong backcourt tandem ni Coach Charles. Torres saka Cometa. Talagang parehong kamador ito eh.
Confidence and aura is rising.
Gaspay, kahit hindi mo bigyan ng bola, pwede. Hindi nagdeteman ng bola, oh. O yan, yung handoff.
Ito yung
Iyan, oh.
kingpin screen.
Oh.
Subukan mo lang.
Oh, hindi niya na nakita yung lower box eh. May screen si Sean sa laki. It takes siguro 1.5 seconds para ka maka-close out doon, Ton. Diba?
Cometa bringing the ball down. This is a 14-point advantage for the Benildians. Gaspay. Torres mula sa kanto. Torres drains it. And now we get a courtside update from Flo Del Agua.
Gentlemen, you know the last time that these guys faced each other was actually during a championship match in the off-season, so they are more than familiar with each other. This is why in the Benil, the huddle, the coaches instructed the players to maintain a certain level of defensive intensity as they recognize that the Generals are more than capable of biting back. Pero hindi lang depensa ang naging instruction ni Coach Charles Chu, as he also wants more openings for Justin Sanchez, the leading scorer for the Blazers. Will he make another top scoring performance in this game today? We'll find out. For now, back to you guys.
Well, right now, Flo, Justin Sanchez has 16 points to lead all scorers in this game.
Yes, talaga yan naman talaga ang leading scorer nila dyan, ni Coach Charles. Plus, yung mga support din. Grabe ang support na binibigay ng mga players, especially the guards. They're doing their job so well. Ikikita nila sino mainit, sino nakakatakbo, at sino yung may advantage.
Well, we've been giving high praise to Justin Sanchez. We have Coach Jerry Cordillera even going as far as saying he has Gilas potential. And itong si Sanchez being 6'5" and able to do what he can do. O'Malley, what a pass! What a delivery! Cometa.
Yan talaga, pag ginamit mo ng mga elbow play, high post play, pag mahina ka off the ball defense dyan, talagang prone ka niya sa backdoor.
Gab Cometa, when did you get hot? 7 points right away.
Pero execution na eh. Diyan makikita yung team. They execute so well, especially pag mga ganyan ma-pressure yung team, yung kalaban.
And now the Benildians coach looking to cruise to their first win here in season 101. And all the talk, coach, about how deep and how talented the lineup of the Benildians are going into this season. Wala pang Tony Inot yan.
Yeah, problema na yan kay Coach Charles, yung kombinasyon na lang. Pero when it comes to lineup, they have everything. Ang dami niyang wing.
Ito na si Sanchez. Cometa. 5. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Walang mapuntahan. Ochavo gets it to Dominguez. Acheta, baseline drive. Liwag.
Yun, medyo nagko-complain si doon. Si Sanchez, nakita niya, mas libre siya ron. Medyo yung dish off niya ron, medyo offline.
O'Malley. Ancheta.
With that lead, you need to execute more. Kailangan dapat i-run the clock. Look for the best offensive player, kung sino libre, you know.
Coach Jerson Cabentes looking on after this huge fourth quarter by Benilde. It really started with that furious rally to end the third. Doon nakakuha ng momentum ang Benilde, coach.
Yes, oo, talagang bumigay na nung bandang dulo eh. Pero sometimes, kasama yung sa basketball, yung sometimes di ka nakaka-score. But yung defense talaga dapat, it should stick sa laban.
Liwag sumubok mula sa labas, coach.
Yeah, first time niya ginawa yan, ha.
Oh! Another wild shot converted by Jude Bagay. Ancheta. And that's a foul on Gab Cometa.
Medyo si Ancheta nawawala ng control. Kanina nag-turnover na. Tapos plus another one. Siguro baka pagod na rin. Pating factor.
Good defense by Ancheta. Castillo against Torres. And that's a foul on Ian Torres.
Hindi ka talaga bibigyan ng space. Pag si Torres ang mga tumapat sa'yo, Cometa, alam nilang weakness mo kagad eh. They will shade the side na kung saan ka malakas eh. Tapos nakalalay din ng malaki. Liwag, Umali. Talagang wala kang free lane. Walang libreng lane dito.
And Torres picks the pocket of the rookie. Yun lang. Oh, Umali.
Tumba ka kay boss. Tumama kay Sean.
Alam mo nga, may extra effort ang boss kapag tumatalon siya ng ganyan, coach.
Oo. Tama yun, oh.
Castillo from the baseline.
Uy. Malalakas tong players ni Coach Charles. Ang bibigat. Solid lahat ng mga katawan eh.
Coach, 3-5 ni Coach Charles, ano? Kulang na lang si Justin.
Oo.
Bagay.
Yan. I'm sure they will milk the clock. Ubusin na nila oras dito.
Torres throws it out to Celis. Inside to Ancheta. And right now, Benil is just putting the finishing touches on this masterpiece.
Yes, yan ang inaantay talaga ng mga big guys. Siyempre, yung mga pasa sa guards like Ancheta, Cometa, yan.
So for EAC, coach, I know it's a huge lead as we see this passing the patience of the Benilians. Ano yung mga positives na nakita mo mula sa Generals? I know it's a rebuilding year for them again.
Yes, a lot. Kasi number one kanina, they were in the game eh. Siguro 5-point lead. So they were in the game. Siguro they just have to manage when to attack and when not to attack. Siguro I think that call will come from the guards. They have to read the defense very well. Na minsan baka may advantage ka pero baka pagod na. How will you finish your layup kung pagod na? So I think it's about reading eh. Reading the situation.
Oh, Postanes. Drop step. Yung kasi yung style ng laro ng EAC nakakapagod din eh.
Oo.
With all of that hustle.
Yes, pag nakakita ka na ng 2-3 guards in front of you, walang slow break dyan, Ton.
So, sustaining that is the question.
Yes, sustain and siguro controlled chaos.
Oh.
If there is such thing as controlled chaos, di ba? Controlled aggression. Pero I'm sure marami silang babalikan si Coach Gerson dito sa practice nila tomorrow. O baka hindi magpapa-day off yan. Sigurado si Coach Gerson.
Ito na yung pagbabalik ni Sanchez. It's just so hard to box out Alan Liwag. 6'6".
Mahirap pagka ganyan mga kalakas tumalon. Actually, if you can, hindi na yung pagkaganyan naman binabantayan mo, you need to face guard him. Kaya mga ganyan. Pero lahat, if you face guard mo, lahat leaper dito sa CSB. Benil.
14 seconds on the shot.
I think, talking about Benil naman, Coach, we're seeing a new identity para sa kanila, especially with what Coach Charles did to start this game, na pinagsabay niya yung Umali at Liwag. Na kumbaga, we're gonna bully you, we're gonna be physical, we're gonna establish our dominant presence.
Yes, I'm sure si Coach Charles, marami rin siyang gustong gawin sa team niya, pero he will stick to what he has, o ano yung pinaka-assets niya sa team, especially the height, advantage sa wing position, sa post. They pressured well. Ngayon, ganda ng mga defensive schemes niya. Unlike yung sa San Beda, medyo yung close out siya. Sabog-sabog eh.
Sanchez, libre na naman. Bostanes with the finish.
4 points.
Yep. So it is official now. Coach Charles Tew and his Benil Blazers get their first win here in season 101 of the NCAA. Flexing their muscles against the EAC Generals in this 11-point victory.